Hello everyone, my name is Emad, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create matrix on MATLAB. So first of all, let's define matrix X, and the size of this matrix is, for example, 2 by 3. One way to create the elements of this matrix is by doing a space between elements of each row. Like you can see, there is a space between 1, 2, 3, and then semicolon, which means next row, and 4, 5, 6. Again, there is a space between 4, 5, 6, which are elements in the same row. Then let's see this matrix. Matrix X has 2 rows. The first row, 1, 2, 3, and the second row, 4, 5, 6. Another way to define the same matrix is using comma between elements of the same row. For example, there is comma between 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. And also, there is semicolon to separate rows of this matrix. Now you see matrix X is the same as previous definition. Another way to define matrix is using elements of each row by pressing enter, like 4, 5, 6. Then you can see here after 3, which I want to define the next row, I press enter, then define 4, 5, 6 at the next row. Again, matrix X is defined as mentioned previously. Thanks for watching this video and have a good life.